In this video, I'm going to share the back end of my YouTube studio. Yes, I'm going to share how much YouTube paid me for a video of 130,000 views. I feel it's so important for us to be transparent on YouTube because it guides you on what to do. Is it worth doing YouTube as a business? If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Cynthia. I share information, knowledge, tools, and resources that will help you boost your YouTube business. So if you're interested in anything like monetizing your YouTube, growing your subscribers, getting views, things like that, then subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that each time I drop a new video, you'll be amongst the first people to see that video. Please check out my store, my digital store, in the comments as well as in the description box. If there's anything that you need, maybe a one-on-one support or guide on YouTube, then reach out to me and book a session so that we can help you grow your views. And without wasting time, let's get into this video. I started my YouTube channel on the 6th of March 2023 and I joined the YouTube partnership program around 9 months in. Then I achieved monetization with YouTube AdSense 11 months in. So I'm 2 years on YouTube now. Not on this channel, but my main channel that I started with, I have grown that to almost 15,000 subscribers, more than 1.2 million views. So when I'm talking about YouTube, I know what I'm talking about on YouTube. When you want to join the YouTube partnership program, they require 500 subscribers as well as 3,000 watch hours. So you need to achieve that within 365 days. With that, you achieve super chats, super stickers, and super thanks, but they will not pay you for views. If you want to be able to achieve the level of Google AdSense, that's to monetize your YouTube channel and Google will pay you, then you need to achieve a total of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. Remember that this 4,000 watch hours is for long form videos, while if it is for short form videos, it's like 10 million views in 90 days. So these are things you need to consider. Are you making short form videos or long form videos? From my research, I've observed that most people find it easier to achieve that of long form videos in 365 days. That of short form videos works for those people who are in the entertainment industry. So enough of this, let's just go to my dashboard so I can show you all the analytics. It's so important for you to know where this is coming from. Remember that the amount they pay me for 130,000 views might not be the exact amount they will pay you, and I'll explain why while showing you my analytics. Let's go to my studio. Now to access my studio, I just go under this place, click on YouTube Studio, it will open. So I just went straight to the video. So this is the video here. I'll click on the analytics. Once I click on that, this opens. What happens here is that it will give you an overview. It says is 135,000 views, watch hours is 7.6k, and the number of subscribers 849. Now before I show you the estimated revenue, I just want to show you the key things that affect your revenue. You can see that my average view duration for this video is 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Some people say you should try to keep it above 3 minutes, and then the average percentage viewed is 30.2%. And if you observed here at the 30-second mark, 47% of viewers were still watching. So it's a good thing. Just note that there are 4 parameters that would impact people viewing your channel more. The first one is your hook. The other 3 are 3 T's: tags, thumbnails, and titles. If you get all these 4 things right, you will increase your views and it will impact your revenue. Studying the data in your YouTube studio would help you create better videos that get more views. That is how you will really learn so much about YouTube. Another thing you need to consider is that this video made 130,000 views because I was solving a problem. So it's a how-to video. If you create how-to videos, it will increase your views because it is something people are searching. Remember that this is YouTube, it's connected to Google. When people search for things on Google, your video will pop. That's called video ranking. I just recorded myself completing a form online and posted it on YouTube, and that's what this video is all about. You can see that the views continue to grow. It has plateaued because I think the application deadline has reached, so it won't grow as much in the future. But that's the beauty of YouTube. You can still get views from old videos. Time for the reveal, guys. How much did YouTube pay me for 135,000 views? Now YouTube paid me $1,295.81 for this. Yes, YouTube does not pay a lot, but it's one of the best platforms that you can have. You can get other deals through selling products and services on YouTube. YouTube is your billboard. Just take it like that. Now I want to show you two other factors that affect the revenue you will get from YouTube. Just stick with me till the end. You will learn a lot from this video. So under the reach tab, we have this part which is called the impression click-through rates. What does 7.8% mean? It means that if they showed it to 100 people, 7.8 clicked on the video and watched the video. That's the impression. Some people will scroll past your video, some people would watch it, and you want it to be as high as possible. It makes the YouTube push your video in the algorithm to other people. The more people accept your videos, the better for you. If your subscribers turn down your video, it becomes a problem. Your video can easily die and it will remain with the same views in 5 years, 6 years, and nobody will see it, even though it has a lot of amazing things. Another data that is so important is how viewers find this video. So they found it mostly through YouTube search, 41.4%. External could be somebody that saw the video and said, oh, use this one. This is an easy tutorial. I enjoyed it. Maybe they shared it on WhatsApp, Facebook, any other place. Let's click on see more so that I'll show you all the details. As in, this studio is really, really amazing. It gives you the whole concept. That's what I love about YouTube. You can see that it also has browse features, suggested videos. So sometimes other videos will suggest your videos. That's why your tags has to be correctly done. Direct or unknown. Other YouTube features, channel pages. Some people can come directly to your channel. Then playlist. Always categorize your videos into different playlists, because some people might watch the playlist from one video to another. All your videos are just rammed together in an album. Then we also have notification. They will notify your subscribers that, hey, she has released a video. Next, video cards and annotations. Sometimes you are watching a video, you will see something like this, like a tag. Yeah, you click on it, it will lead you to another video by the same creator. So when you do things like this, it keeps people on your channel. You get more views through this process. Now, the next one is end screens. Now, it's so important for you to put this in your video. I will show you how to do all these things. End screen is kind of suggesting another video for someone to watch towards the end of your video. So it keeps people within the same channel and you get more views and more revenue. Another important aspect that will determine how much YouTube pays you is, guess what? Geography, the location of your viewers. Now you can see that for this video we have United Kingdom, India, United States, Nigeria, and Greece. If most of your viewers for a particular video are from a particular country that has a higher purchasing power, like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, then you will be paid more in RPM. You'll be paid more by YouTube. This is because YouTube gets their money from advertisers. Once the advertisers pay YouTube, YouTube gives you a percentage, maybe like 45% or 50%. Now, most of these countries like United Kingdom, US would pay more to advertise. So that's something you need to consider. If most of my viewers for this video were from maybe Nigeria, I'll be paid less for the number of views. Something to consider. It's also important to mention that you need to optimize your videos for TV. Like you can see this video, there's some people that watched it on their TV, on their laptop and computer, apart from mobile phones. So some people use these other devices to watch it. You don't want it to look blurry when you post it. And you can see that there are more males watching my video than females. YouTube gives you that statistics of number, that's the age range that watched my videos, 25 to 34, telling you that a lot of migrants that are in these ages in different countries. Now, another important thing, that's the most important aspect I feel I should show you, is the RPM and CPM. We click on revenue and then we'll be able to see the CPM and RPM. Now, CPM is the amount that the advertisers paid. They paid $15.90, while RPM is the amount YouTube paid me out of that money that the advertisers paid. To access the RPM, I'm going to click on see more, and then this particular page opens. You can see the RPM. It tells you how much they paid me each day. So you can see the graph from the first day when I started earning from this video. You can see how it goes up, it goes down. You see that one is about $14 a day. Some were just $4 a day. So out of $15.90, YouTube paid me $9.55. So I told you it's like 45 to 55%. That's what YouTube pays. Finally, the most important element that will determine how much YouTube pays you is your niche. So someone in another niche might not earn as much as this. So there are some niches that pay more. For example, finance, maybe construction, heavy equipment, things like that, they pay more. But if you are for lifestyle vlogging, they might pay less. If you want to make money from YouTube, just be selective of which niche you go into and know how you can monetize it. But that's it. If you make good quality content and you're getting maybe $10, $20, $30 from different videos, they all add up. But you should not rely on YouTube as your main source of income for AdSense. Have products and services that you're selling to your customers. You're a teacher on YouTube. You teach people stuff and get paid for what you do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you benefited a lot from it. If you want to see my YouTube workflow, the step-by-step process I use to complete the publishing of my video, then I'll put the link to the video here. Bye-bye.